Are you one of the many CPAP users who struggle with persistent headaches? You're not alone. Studies show that up to 34% of CPAP users experience headaches. The American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine has documented this issue. It could be something as simple as an ill-fitting mask or the dry air from the CPAP machine. Improper mask fit can lead to air leaks, which can trigger headaches. And the dry air from the CPAP can cause sinus irritation and discomfort. Understanding the potential causes is the first step in finding a solution. While headaches can be frustrating, there are ways to address them and get the relief you need. We hope this video helped enhance your understanding. Remember, you can contact one of the sleep department's healthcare professionals at Enticare if you have any questions.